Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful trendy puff sleeve, and also in my next video I'll be uploading how to make this beautiful boat neck blouse. If you don't want to miss that video, please do subscribe my channel and also hit on the bell icon below, and do follow my Instagram page for more update. So first I'm going to start by making a basic sleeve. So this is going to be like elbow length sleeve, so I'm just taking 11.5 inches, so 1.5 for seam allowance. So the ready measurement would be 10 inches, and the sleeve open to be 5.5. The length of sleeve is 11.5, sleeve open is 10.5, and from there I'm going to mark the biceps of the sleeves, and I'm going to draw a curve connecting both the lines together like this. And you have 1 month of professional workshop course, and you'll be learning 9 blouses in that. So if you're really interested, you can just ping me. And now from the normal sleeves, you're going to take like a 3.5 inches up like such, and take 4.5 over the sleeve curve. Okay, now you're going to connect both the lines in a nice and smooth curve like this. Okay, and whatever you're doing, make sure you do it on a lining fabric, and I'm going to trace the same on my brocade fabric. Okay, that's going to be a 3.5 and this is going to be 4.5. So this is what I'm talking about. You have a workshop start from September, and if you want more detail, do ping me to the WhatsApp number. The number is on the description box too. So if you missed to watch my pamphlet, just ping me on my WhatsApp number. Okay, so the workshop would be a self measurement blouse. So you'd be taking the measurement on your own bodice, and you'll be making the blouse through that. And now this is how the sleeves looks. Okay, I'm going to take in depth a little bit on my front part of my sleeves. Okay, and now I'm going to repeat the same on my brocade fabric. So this is my brocade fabric. I'm just going to fold that in half, and I'm running out of fabric. It's just a shortage of fabric for 3 inches, so I'm just going to leave that down, and I'm going to cut like a 1/2 inch excess on my brocade fabric like this. Seriously, it is a trendy sleeve. It just looks really beautiful on a boat neck blouse. For sure, I'll be uploading the boat neck blouse very soon, so don't miss that. Just click on the subscriber button below so that you don't miss that video. And now I'm going to just place the lining on top of the brocade fabric, and I'm going to put a basting stitch all around to fix the lining to the main fabric. Do not stretch the fabric, ease with the fabric, and you're going to put a basting stitch all around like such. So once after putting the basting stitch, make sure you trim off the excess brocade fabric like this. And mark the center notch, and you're going to do the same to the next side too. And from the center, that is still from that 4.5 inches marking, you're going to gather the fabric. Make sure the stitch number would be 4, and I'm going to just gathering the sleeves manually like this, just pulling a thread. Make sure you do on the one side and do the gathering on the next side too. Do not pull the thread at the stretch. Just go from the 4.5 till the center point, and the back side 4.5 till the center point. Okay, so once it's done, it's going to look like this. I'm going to attach this on my blouse part, and I'll show you how it's going to look.